So, think this will be enough wood?
Yeah, it should be plenty.
Alright.
Especially the stuff we got back there.
Yeah, good point. We got some big shadows.
I know, man.
Whoa, what's that back there at the campsite?
I don't know, man.
Man, that thing was starting to freak me out.
Oh, it's a freaking deer or something.
I don't know, let's find out. So, this is gonna be a good flame.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Let's get a tent! Zip it up, man! Zip it up! Hurry!
It's stuck!
Oh shit!
Chupacabra!
Oh man, what was that thing?
Oh, I don't know, dude.
I don't know.
That was freaking...
That was the scariest thing I've ever seen, man. Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Oh my gosh, man. Let's just get back in that tent and like go away.